Grandma, is he real?
I want that old man. Die, do you hear me?
What did you say? Do you think that easy to get rid of me? You are nobody now. You're just an ordinary old man, just like us.
He is coming. He is coming to my dream. But that's not a dream. That is real.
Yes, I am Balang Tamak. What do you want from me, huh?